Hey guys, bit of breaking news. Wanted to get a quick video out. Trump just tweeted he's basically not going to negotiate anymore on the stimulus. Said let's wait until the election is over. So market crashed here. Get your SPY puts. Get your puts on whatever's up that has a lot of room to go down. I grabbed a few SPY puts here. Let's see. I already sold one of them, but this will probably continue for at least a few days, maybe a week, maybe a month. I don't know. If you've been following along, you've seen on my E-Trade, I've got a lot of bearish positions here. Puts on BAC, Bank of America, puts on Delta Airlines, puts on Gap, puts on Pins, puts on Peloton, and then puts on the SPY on this account too. This one's been down because this SPY keeps going up, but with a tweet like that from the president, all right here. Basically, yeah, just delay negotiations, so he's not negotiating anymore. Quick little market news for you guys. This will continue to carry on. As you see, usually I don't do videos middle of the market day, but yeah, SPY just dumped here as well as pretty much everything else. So there's GoPro, there's Budweiser, there's the SPY has that much volume and velocity, pretty much everything follows with it. I wouldn't expect to bounce back tomorrow, maybe a little bit, but then I think it's going to keep coming down until some other news comes out where Trump says we'll negotiate or something like this. But if he doesn't, which he might not, then yeah, I don't think it's going to be bouncing back up anytime soon. Probably start to downtrend here. So hopefully you guys can take advantage of this. As you saw, the account today was doing well, and then blip. That's because it's a long term. I don't really have much exposure here to puts just since this is a long term, but there's a good representation. I do have a DraftKings credit spread, call credit spread that basically I'll be able to that'll expire worthless, which is nice. But this Walmart one, we'll see. One might not, but that's it, guys. Yeah, hopefully you can take advantage of this. See you at the end of trading day for a little trading day recap. Peace out.